Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add glow effect on your video on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut PC, and from here what we're going to do is first we are going to import our clip right here. So I'm just going to drag it and put it right here. So this will be our clip, and we're going to add some glow effects right here. Let's just remove the audio for this one. I don't want the sound right there. And so from here, what we're going to do is first duplicate the clip by holding the Alt button right there. And then from here, we're going to go for the blend mode and then set this into color dodge right there. And as you can see, it's much brighter, but we're going to go and scale down the opacity. So we're just going to go for a little bit of it. Just that. Yeah, I think this is enough, 4%. And this would depend on your video, okay? Do not follow my opacity value. Just put the value into what you think is appropriate. In my case, it will be like this one right here. And now, the next thing is that we're going to go into effects right here. Let's just go drag this down right here. And then from here, we're going to go with the edge glow right there. And we're going to put it right here on the top. And from here, we're going to control the glow right here. This is without the glow. Maybe we can go for a darker one. So as you can see, this is how it is. Without the glow, this is how it would look like right here. And this is how it would look like with glow. It's much more, as you can see, it's much more interactive. In my case, if you're posting this to social media, and you can also adjust it here so that you can make it more darker. As you can see right here, let's go for here. As you can already see the glow right here. It's very nice. And then from here, we're gonna go and for brightness, let's go and scale it down so that we can emphasize the glow right here. We can adjust it right here under adjustment basic, and we can go for the shadow. We're gonna go and pump up the shadow right here so that the glow would be so much more interesting right there. And let's go back right here. So let's see. And as you can see, it's much more interactive with this one with glow. This would really bump up your video editing right here. And yeah, that is basically how you add the glow effect on CapCut PC. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.